This review is of the Alternative Baking Company Incorporated's Luscious Lemon Poppy Seed Cookie. It is non-GMO and PARB, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It's also vegan. Here is the blurb as well as the nutrition facts and the ingredients. I never know with this company whether the cookies are going to be good. I've tried 3 so far. I had one that was really good, and then a couple others that were not good. So I'm hoping that this is going to be good so we can have a 50-50 ratio with their cookies. They're thick and soft, but dense. They didn't mix the batter enough, so you can feel the sugar crunching. Okay, so it's not bad. I personally wish the flavor was stronger because it's a bit weak. I do like it. I've had better. But it is a nice cookie. If you would like a subdued lemon poppy seed flavor, this would be a good choice for you. If you want one that's bold, which is what I want, then you probably will not appreciate this cookie that much, even though it is nice. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.